Hey guys, all right, check this out. We're going to show you how to change the turn signal bezels on a C5 Corvette. Okay, so I've got my blue C5 here. Got these factory, let's see, I'm going to show you here the factory bezels. Okay, just the standard bezel. It's got the yellow and the clear. Kind of ugly. Most people don't like them. I already have the blue turn signals in there. So where it's clear, it's already blue. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to put, hand me that one of those clear ones. We're going to put this right here in there. So it's going to look totally different. Okay, so that blue is going to stand out really good inside of there. And then I typically don't like using orange turn signal bulbs in there either, so I'll probably change that out for a clear one, a clear bulb at some point in time. But all right, go ahead and take that. As you can see in the background, we just got done doing an oil change on this thing, getting the oil changed. All right, first thing you need to do, you need to take your Z06 or wheels, whatever kind of Corvette wheels you have on there, need to take your wheel off. Okay, so we're going to go right behind this panel right here. They didn't make it exactly the easiest. Like a lot of cars will have access to the bezels from the outside. It's just a couple of screws that go around it. This one's inset on the back side, so not exactly the easiest thing, but hey. All right, so you can see I've already got the lug nuts off here. We're going to go ahead and yank this tire off. All right, go ahead and hold that, lay that down there. Okay, so I'm going to show you this right here. Okay, right here we're going to have to take 1 bolt, 2 bolt, and then we're going to get right up under here. Let's see, loosen this thing up a little bit. And right up under here, we're going to have to go 1, 2, 3 bolt right here. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3. We're going to remove this panel. This panel is going to come out. All right. Got over here.
Is that it?
You see it?
That's the other way. There we go.
Okay.
I believe you're on right.
Okay, so now that I took the air intake out, you see right here where my fingers are, it's the air intake. What that does is allows cold air to go to the brake caliper and wheel. Helps with keeping brakes cool, also with some aerodynamics. Now, what I'm going to have to do is take this bolt and this bolt, these two right here, okay, and that holds this whole assembly together because bezel is mounted into this bracket. So I got to take this bolt and this bolt right here out. Okay, now that I got bolt number 1 out and bolt number 2 out, bezel's completely loose. Okay, so now we just need to take bulb out and we'll be able to change it.
All right, you're on.
All right, now that we got the bezel out, check this out. Use this same, this is a 9mm socket. 6mm, I'm sorry, it's a 6mm. Use this 6mm. 6mm will take, matter of fact, it deals with most of the bolts that I had to deal with. There was only one 10mm. Take these 2 out. And this one's a little bit rusted. One of the reasons most people change these things out is, you can see right there where the thing has been somewhat melted. Now, All right. This one is out. And then just replace. It's just that easy. Set it back down into its housing, right where it belongs. Put your 2 bolts back in, and then just reverse the process. And then do the same thing with the other side. It's just that simple. All right, guys. Well, hopefully this was helpful in changing headlight bezels, or the turn signal bezels, changing turn signal bezels in your C5 Corvette. All right. Now, make sure to check out our other YouTube channel. What we are actually more known for. We are the Reptile Rangers. We own the Kernersville Reptile Zoo and Medical Center. We also have a YouTube channel called Reptile Rangers. The link will be underneath. If you enjoy anything about reptiles, whether education, medical, any kind of pet owner care, we do. That's our primary filming. But we do videos like this to try and help people make it a little bit easier when you're having to do different projects, such as work on vehicles that are kind of aggravating. But anyways, hope you enjoyed. The links for the other channel is below. We'll talk to you later.